Hello friends, welcome to another video from Programming Tutorial channel. In this video I want to solve the question number 4.18. The question is given, so let's start in. At first we have four integer variables: int, account, beginning balance, and charge, also credit and credit limit. So now we need this kind of class to get input these variables. Now let's take inputs. Beginning balance. Credit limit. Now let's calculate this value. The formula is given here. Here we have the formula that beginning balance, new balance is equals to beginning balance plus charge minus credits. So let's do this. And new balance equals to new balance is equals to beginning balance plus charge amount minus credit. Now we have this value. So now let's check if the balance exceed our credit limits. If new balance is less than credit limit, new balance and that new balance exceeded the limit means new balance equals to plus new balance. So the program is finished. Let's check the output. Enter the account number 10100001. Enter the beginning balance 200. Enter the charge 30. Now credit is 15. Enter the credit limits. Limit is 10,000. New balance is equals to 215. Let's input wrong values. Account number 101001. Enter the beginning balance 100. Charge 200. Credit is 600. And the credit limit is 200. New balance minus 300. This output is wrong. Let's check what is the problem. I think that there is not a problem. We entered the wrong input. So let's run it again. Enter the account number. Enter beginning balance 3000. Charge 2000. And credit is 1000. Credit limit is 30,000. New balance is 4,000. I think the question is solved. If you have any problem, comment on the YouTube. I will solve that. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel to get my next videos. Thank you.